Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show a couple of ways on how to fix a MacBook Pro that does not turn on. The first thing you want to do is charge the MacBook Pro for at least 1 hour. This way you will know that there is some type of power inside the battery. The first step is to hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds. If this didn't work, try pressing the middle of the mouse pad, space button, and the power button at the exact same time for 30 to 60 seconds as well. The next solution is to press on the power button for 10 seconds. Then plug in your charger and keep on holding the power button for 60 more seconds. Now keep in mind, if you plug in your charger and the green/yellow light does not lit up, then the charger or the charger port needs to be replaced. If it's a charging port, this part only costs $8 online. That could be one of the reasons why your MacBook Pro does not power on. If none of these solutions work, you'll have to open the bottom piece by removing all 10 screws from the plate. Now from here, you have to remove both of the memory RAMs from the slot. Since my MacBook Pro has exactly 2 RAMs installed, I took both of them out for around 30 seconds and I inserted them back again. Now you can press on the power button to see if this worked. If this solution didn't work, try unplugging the hard drive. You have to unscrew this part, remove, carefully disconnect the hard drive connection for 30 seconds, then plug it in right back again. Now put everything back together and try pressing the power button to see if it worked. Now the second final solution is to reconnect or replace the MacBook Pro battery. There's a very high chance that the battery might be defective. Over time, all MacBook Pro batteries will need to be replaced. Now finally, if all of these solutions in this video did not work, there's a good chance that the motherboard or the LCD is defective. The best thing you could do from here is to take it to a repair shop and have them check what's wrong with your MacBook Pro. Well guys, if any of these solutions worked in this video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.